A quick video for you today, something I've been asked off a subscriber in the past. Firstly, with the Creatista Pro, you can save your own drinks on it. So you can mess around with the settings on a certain drink, maybe increase the temperature or increase the froth a little bit, and it will then save it. But how do you do that? And also, how many recipes can it hold? Well, let's start with how many recipes can it hold. We were having a play around with it earlier because I really wanted to answer this question, like the maximum amount. But actually, as we were trying to do it, if we scroll down now, we started inputting them. And we actually got to 21 recipes and then gave up because we just thought we could be here to 100 for all we know. So yeah, we got to 21, which surely is going to be more than enough for any family. Why do we need this setting? Well, simply, it's good that when you mess around with the settings on the certain drinks like cappuccino, latte, macchiato, it will store what you save till the next time. But if you've got other members of family coming along and using the machine, and they mess with your settings and you don't realise, and then you come down and make a drink in the morning, it's completely different to how you like it. Well, that's the benefit of this, is that we can save our own settings to our own name and have our own drink every time. So we'll just show you how to do it now. So you just simply go to the recipe you want to play around with. So we're on cafe latte. You then select the froth or temperature level that you want. So we're adjusting the temperature. If we go back, we can adjust the froth. Then we simply press that plus button in the top left-hand corner, type the name in, or the drink name, just any name. So we're just putting latte, we could put mum after it or something like that. Then just simply save it with the right-hand top button, the top right button. And then if we click on that again, it then gives you the option to just make that drink.
Yeah, so one of the ways that you can use this feature is for, you can see here we've got hot chocolate. So that can just make it easier for when I'm making a hot chocolate for the kids. Instead of going into just the milk only section and adjusting the froth level and the temperature to how we like it from there, instead I can just, we have got more on than we normally would on this menu, just to see how many we could fit in, but you could just go straight to your hot chocolate setting, and then the milk settings are all there ready to go, and it just makes it really easy. So I hope that's answered just a couple of questions that I got. Firstly, how many drinks can it store? 20 plus. I'm not sure what the maximum is though. And also how to do it. As you see, we got bored down at the bottom because we just put that many in. It was taking forever. But yeah, hope that's helped you out. If it has, please give the video a like. Please do subscribe to the channel. And yeah, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.